Hello guys, today we have this ONKYO home theater system. It is 5.1 home theater system. It has a problem with some of the speaker output is not functioning. If you can see from back side, we have this front speaker, right and left, center, and the surround speaker, right and left. And the surround speaker is not working. And from the front side, we also have the USB input and aux input. And yeah, the owner said that this surround speaker is not functioning, it's not making any sound, but this front and center speaker is working. So I'm gonna check this and also check maybe another speaker output. Maybe I'm gonna open this, and so yeah, let's get started. Okay, first maybe I'm gonna test with these RCA cables from my smartphones. And I have the speaker to test. Okay, the left side is working. Okay, let's check the right side. Okay, right side is working. Center is not working. Yeah, center is not working. Okay, let's check the surround. Surround also not working. Okay, let's check the surround right. Also it's not working. Surround right not working. Let's check this front B, left and right. Okay, it's working. Let's try the front B right side. Okay, it's working. So front B is working, both right and left. And for the surround speaker, we have a not working surround and center. The front B, both are working, right and left. And for the surround, 5 speaker and 1 subwoofer, it only working this front A, right and left only. But the center and the surround is not working. First step, maybe I'm gonna check the setting from the menu of this ONKYO TXSR313. Okay, first thing we need to check is the listening mode. Now we have aux input and AB speaker, and make sure the listening is theater dimension. And let's test with the music from the phones, and we still don't have a sound. Let's check the center. Also, we don't have the sound from the center connection. Okay, after we are setting this listening mode to theater, the speaker is still not functioning, still no output from the surround and center speakers. The next step, maybe I'm gonna try to reset the unit. To reset this unit, just turn off this unit and press VCR and DVR, press the on standby, and it will showing clear. And let's choose the input to aux. I'm gonna give some music. Yes, we have a sound now from the center speaker. Okay guys, this is the center speaker. It's working now. Let's try to surround speaker, right and left. The left speaker is not working. Let's try the right speaker. Yeah, right speaker is working now. Okay, to do a factory reset, first you need to turn off the device, the unit, and press the VCR, DVR, and press the on standby, and the clear text will appear, and now the unit is reset. And now let's check the surround, left and right. Okay, the surround R is good now. Let's try the left speaker. The left speaker is still dead. It's not making any sound. Maybe I'm gonna check this left speaker. Maybe I'm gonna open this. Okay guys, since we don't have any output from the surround left, this one, so I decided to open this and make a check. This is our inside of our unit, ONKYO home theater. This is very dusty. I think we need to clean this first and check the physical appearance. Is there any burn or coloring parts or component? Hello guys, update again from me. The surround left channel is working again after I make a second reset, the factory reset, and I changed the playing mode into theater. Also the center also now working. Okay, the right side also working now. Okay guys, I think that's it. That's how you fix your ONKYO home theater system. Before it's only working this front A working, right and left. The rest is not working. So after I resetting the unit, it's working again. Okay guys, thank you for your like and subscribe. It will support me making more videos in the future. And thank you for your time watching this. Terima kasih and bye bye.